How to leave or how to review on Expedia. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can leave a review on Expedia. Now the process is actually quite simple and easy, so let me guide you through. First, what you want to do is you want to head into Expedia, whether be the browser or whether on the application itself. Now the process is similar, so I'll be just showing you here on the browser. On your browser, if you want to do it, you want to simply open up your browser on your device and you want to search in for expedia.com. Then you will be headed into the official Expedia website where you'll have to make sure that you are logged into your account. In my case, you can see that I'm already logged in. What you want to do is you want to tap on the profile icon at the top right corner of your screen, and once you want to tap on account option, and once you tap on the account options, you'll get various options here, and if you scroll down below, you can see under the credits option the reviews option. Simply tap on it here and you'll be able to view all your reviews here, and you'll find your reviews as well. Now here, after you stay at property booked that is on Expedia, that you have booked on Expedia, you'll receive an email invitation to submit a review. Now the email that you have set up your Expedia account with, you'll get an email invitation to submit a review. It only takes a few minutes to share your experience and photos, so what you can do is after you get the email, only then you'll be able to leave a review on Expedia. So hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.